welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 25 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is story writing, right? So let us begin with the story writing. It says, read the following story. तो अब जल्दी से इस स्टोरी को पढ़ते हैं. It says, the lion and the fox. So, one day an old lion found a fox's den. He went in and awaited for the fox to return. The fox came back and saw the lion's trails. He understood that the lion was in the den. Still, he wanted to make sure. He thought of a plan. The fox called out loudly, "Den, why don't you talk to me as you do every day?" The lion inside heard this. Oh, so this is a talking den, the lion thought to himself. Maybe the den did not talk to me because it was afraid of me. The lion wanted the fox to come in, so he called out to the fox. The fox was now sure that the lion was in. He ran away as fast as he could. Right? Now, they are telling us how to write a story. Right? So first of all, हमें यहाँ पर एक outline दी गई है. Outline looks like, a hot summer day, fox passes by a well, looks in, sees water, tries to reach for it, falls in, cannot come out. A goat passes by, sees the fox, asks him why he is there, forces him enjoying cool water, invites goat to lump in, the goat jumps in, the fox leaps on the goat's back and gets out, laughs at the stupid goat. Right? Now, writing story. अब हम कैसे इन outlines को use करके एक story बना सकते हैं? Right? So here we have the title of the story, first of all, the fox and the goat. Right? So let's see. One hot summer day, a thirsty fox passes by a well. He looked in and saw water. He bent and tried to reach it, but fell in. He tried, but could not get out. A goat who passed by looked in the well. He saw the fox and asked him how he was there. "Oh, I'm enjoying the cool water," replied the fox. "Outside it is very hot, isn't it?" The foolish goat jumped in. The cunning fox quickly reeved on the goat's back and jumped out. The fox looked at the silly goat and laughed. Right? Now, here we have the worksheet which says number the sentences correctly so that they tell a story. Write down this story in the space given below. So, हमें इन सभी sentences को इस तरीके से arrange करना है कि हम एक story यहाँ पर frame कर सकें. Right? So, जल्दी से इन sentences को पढ़ते हैं. So, it is a bus came and he got on it. He pressed the bell to get down. He changed quickly. Raman got up late because his alarm clock did not work. He was 10 minutes late. After a quick breakfast, he ran to the bus stop. he had to say sorry to the teacher for being late. On the bus, he could not buy the ticket. At the next stop, he got down and ran all the way to school. Right? So, अब कैसे हम इन सेंटेंसेस को अरेंज कर सकते हैं एक प्रॉपर ऑर्डर में ताकि एक स्टोरी बन सके. जल्दी से इन पर नंबर्स डालते हैं ताकि एक स्टोरी बना सके. So, Raman got up late because his alarm clock did not work. Right? He was 10 minutes late. After a quick breakfast, he ran. First of all, we'll say he changed quickly. Then, after a quick breakfast, he ran to the bus stop. A bus came and he got in. On the bus, he could not buy the ticket. At the next stop, he got down. He pressed the bell. He pressed the bell to get down. And at the next stop, he got down and ran all the way to the school. He had to say sorry to the teacher for being late. Right? So, यहाँ पर हमें इस स्टोरी का टाइटल ही दिया हुआ है जिसमें बोला गया late for school. Right? So, that was all about the chapter. I hope you all have learned that how you can frame these stories well. Right? So, that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.